Imagine powering your home with endless sunlight while cutting electricity bills to almost zero. Welcome back to my channel, where today we reveal the top 5 best 400-watt solar panels. Stay tuned for powerful insights and smart choices. Don't forget to grab your favorite product through links in description. At number 5 is Renogy 400 Watt. Imagine a world where running out of power in the wild becomes a thing of the past. That frustration of dead batteries, noisy generators, and limited campsite electricity ends right here. This is where the Renogy 400 Watt steps into the spotlight of the top 5 best 400 watt solar panels, and honestly, it feels like a serious upgrade for anyone chasing freedom off-grid. The first thing you notice is how insanely portable it is, folding down like a compact travel bag while still delivering massive 400 watt output. For campers, RV travelers, and emergency backup users, it turns sunlight into reliable energy with its 25% high-efficiency N-type cells. Compared to bulkier rigid panels like older traditional suitcase models, it's easier to carry, faster to deploy, and far more flexible in setup. You can lay it on a windshield, ground, or even hang it for better sun capture. The downside is that its blanket style needs careful handling in strong wind, but the convenience outweighs it. If you want smart, portable solar power that actually adapts to real life, this one truly delivers freedom. At number 4 is eco-worthy 4-piece. One shocking truth about off-grid power is that most buyers don't struggle with sunlight, they struggle with unreliable panels that underperform when they need energy the most. That frustration hits hard during RV trips, farm setups, or emergency blackouts, and this is exactly where the eco-worthy 4-piece setup enters the conversation inside the top 5 best 400 watt solar panels category. At first glance, it feels like a budget-friendly gateway to energy independence, but the real value shows up in daily use. With 4 100-watt monocrystalline modules, it delivers around 1,600 watt-hour on good sunlight days, turning simple daylight into usable power for batteries, RV systems, and off-grid cabins. Installation is surprisingly beginner-friendly, with plug-and-play connectors and pre-drilled frames that remove the usual setup stress. Compared to premium brands, it may not match absolute consistency in output, but it wins on affordability and expandability for DIY users. The downside is slight efficiency variation under weak sunlight, yet the IP68 junction box helps maintain stability in shade. Ideal for budget-conscious campers, van lifers, and first-time solar builders seeking practical off-grid energy without complexity. A quiet but capable entry into real solar freedom. On number 3 is CTOLITY IP65. A silent power failure during camping or RV life can turn freedom into frustration in seconds, and that is exactly the problem CTOLITY IP65 steps in to erase inside the world of top 5 best 400 watt solar panels. From the first unfold, it feels engineered for real outdoor pressure, not just showroom specs. With a 400-watt high-efficiency output reaching around 23% conversion, it captures sunlight even when clouds try to steal your energy. The biggest relief comes from its IP65 waterproof protection, meaning sudden rain, dust, or rough terrain no longer ends your power supply. For campers, van lifers, and emergency backup users, it delivers steady charging for power stations without complicated setup. Compared to bulkier rigid panels like traditional fixed-frame solar kits, it wins on portability and fast deployment, though it sacrifices a bit of maximum long-term durability under extreme conditions. The adjustable kickstand and foldable design make positioning simple and practical in real life. It suits travelers, outdoor workers, and off-grid beginners who want dependable solar without technical stress. a reliable companion when darkness should never interrupt your energy flow. At number 2 is ZOUP 450 watt. The biggest mistake people make with portable solar is assuming more watts automatically means better power, but real performance depends on efficiency, compatibility, and how fast you can actually deploy it when the lights go out. That is where ZOUP 450 watt stands out in the conversation around the top 5 best 400 watt solar panels. Built with next-generation N-type 16BB cells and up to 25% conversion efficiency, it pushes stronger output even during cloudy mornings and late afternoons, with a listed 45.9V open circuit voltage and IP68 protection for outdoor durability. For RV travelers, home backup users, and serious overlanders, the lightweight foldable fiberglass design makes setup far easier than bulky rigid panels. Compared with Renogy foldable options, this one feels more focused on high-capacity power stations and faster charging flexibility thanks to the included multi-adapter kit. The trade-off is that it demands careful compatibility checks since it is not ideal for lower voltage units. Some community buyers also warn against suspiciously cheap third-party listings, so buying from trusted sellers matters. For users chasing powerful portable energy without permanent rooftop installation, this panel feels like control in your own hands. Now moving to the last one is Renogy Decades. A shocking truth in solar buying is that most people don't fail because of sunlight. They fail because panels lose efficiency exactly when they need stable power the most. That frustration hits hard during RV trips, off-grid cabins, and emergency backup setups, and this is where Renogy Decades quietly earns attention inside the top 5 best 400-watt solar panels category. Right away, it stands out with advanced N-type cell engineering pushing up to 25% efficiency, turning limited roof space into real, usable energy. Compared to older Renogy monocrystalline lines, it delivers stronger output in cloudy or partial shading conditions thanks to smarter cell design. For RV owners, van lifers, and home backup users, it solves the real problem of inconsistent charging. The build feels solid, weather-resistant, and designed for long-term outdoor stress, though it comes at a slightly higher price and requires proper mounting planning. Against budget alternatives like other kits, it clearly leans more premium in performance stability. This is not for casual experimenters. It suits serious users who want dependable off-grid power without constant performance drops. A refined step toward more confident solar independence. Among these 5, the clear winner is Renogy Decades for buyers who want serious long-term performance, smarter efficiency, and dependable off-grid power. Its advanced N-type cells reach up to 25% efficiency, giving stronger charging in cloudy weather and limited roof space. Compared to budget kits like EcoWorthy, it offers better consistency and durability. Compared to portable options like CTOLITY or ZOUPW, it feels more premium for stable daily use. If reliability matters more than saving a little money, Renogy Decades is the smartest investment for lasting solar freedom. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best 400-watt solar panels. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.